Jasmine, she no mom say me love me girl to my weak star.
Jasmine.
And I could just hear John on my own. It weak me down keen up on the 5 year old that. But one man I say don't do that.
Yeah.
That's still not my head.
Nah.
I still not give my Maya. Cause Maya more you know. My fit more you know.
True.
Cause if I enjoy wickedness and my things, I love me live with that.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. So, guys, as you can see from the title, as you can see, it is that day, because as I did promise, I'm definitely going to pay the dad a visit, which is so apparently, guys, I'm going to head down into Bull Bay, 9 Mile Bull Bay, to see Jasmine Deen dad, which is Deen, Jasmine, who is the girl that been missing, since 2020. She's been missing for 5 years now, coming from school, which is UWI, Mona. She used to attend to, but she's visually impaired, and she went in a taxi, and that was the loss of that story,
I thought I would use this platform to make a public appeal. Those of you who have been following the media would have seen the case of a young woman. Her name is Jasmine Deen, 22-year-old university student. She's a student at the University of the West Indies, but she is also visually impaired, and she has been missing.
Come out this morning just to ask the public and everyone, please, if anyone know anything about Jasmine, so can come up and talk to the and give the information, because we really need Jasmine and it's been so long.
I wanna be happy too. Why you gonna be so rude? Why you gonna be so rude?
So, her dad always been a viewer of my program ever since, ever since them time, when I started my program. He always been, because he always a kid that like what you're doing. So he always been a viewer of the program, and it's been a while now, he's been asking me to come pay my visit, because, he's father of 4, and knowing the situation that he's going through, he's been asking me for the longest while if we could give him assistance, you know. And so basically, so today I'm gonna head there, you know, get some insight and see how everything's been, you know, since then, you know, up to now. How is everything going? How is he coping and everything? Because he really asking me for some assistance, you know. So I'm gonna try my best and see what I can do, even though it's a bit of distance away from me. So the best thing I'm gonna try to do is, like, guys, just put his contact information out there, you know. So if anyone want to give him any form of support after all everything, you know, they can also reach to him, or whenever I got the time I can make it to go out there, because, you know, it's a little drive for me to attend to. So, you know, these programs always try to help anyone, no matter, you know, the cases or whatsoever, you know. Because we can't try to make one cocoa full of basket, you know, because we're all one. So boy, I can't really tell you. I know what he's going through, I know what he's feel, because I never experienced that in my life, you know. For know that, you know, he's been missing, that I've been missing for ever since, you know what I mean? And it's really tough, you know. It's really tough on him. So yes, guys, so, you know, before I head down there, you know, I'm going to also head to Trenchtown to pick up Esther and Boom, you know, and who's there, because, you know, I'm saying most of the members of them are always working. So that's why we're on the outside, you know, doing some work also, you know, giving some assistance. But, you know, before I do that, I need to head down to Ivor Spice, you know, to get some of this live food right now for my brain to be functioned, to really to go and attend this, you know, visit his father for everything that he's been through from them times till now, you know. So I need to go get my healthy food, you know, to keep my brain up, you know, for this situation. So guys, I'm say, remember to give the thumbs up, you know, whenever you're watching, you know. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know. Like, you know, tell a friend about Kina Life in Jamaica, you know. Share it if you can, you know. And remember, I would thank you so much, you know, for the support right through. And here we have another one, you know, of our own, you know, our brother from another mother, you know, who is all one. We are one love, also in need. So boy, this one is taking me by so much words. If you can notice, my words are not even coming out, because I don't even know how to deal with this one, because it is so hard to be dealing with. You know that I'm going to speak to a father who his child is missing since 2025 years on, and still no, you know, solution, nothing yet. You know, just can't imagine what is going through his mind right now, you know. But I for sure know that, you know, him don't lose hope, him have faith, see me that she's still alive, you know. And that's one thing for him to always keep, you know, as you never know, one day she might turn up, you never know. So it's always, I'm saying it's tough, you know. But guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna head to Ivor Spice, get something to eat, and then now we're gonna be heading to Trenchtown, pick up Esther and them that, and then head down to the Bull Bay, you know. So stay tuned for that one. So best of love. Yeah. Yeah. Say can't go foreign. If they're gonna bring it up same day. If they're gonna bring it the same day. Yeah. The same day. It's windy. Ah, manners. It's windy back here. So you know I'm gonna get my busy and chocolate tea and a breadfruit burger, and then head into Trenchtown, pick them up, then head out, in and out. I will go on again.
It's a smart.
Yeah. This one is pineapple. You can see the pineapple inside of it. See? That's pineapple. Pineapple. Those. Yeah. Not every minute.
Yeah, man. I was spice. I'm not telling you, I lie. There's a lot of people been coming up in here. So I said, instead of watching the program.
Yeah.
So I need it. So man, we just give youngs, man. So I said,
yeah. We say give youngs.
Youngs. Where's the thanks? Alright, you say thanks. Yeah, you give youngs. Yeah, man. I appreciate love it, man. So I said, I'm mostly like elderly people.
Yeah.
So I said,
want the healthy stuff.
Yeah, man. They want the healthy stuff and want to live like a longer and things. You know what I'm saying?
That is it. It's the way to life.
Yeah, man.
Yes, them stay on the street and know you now.
Yeah. Yeah, man. They tell you all from here. No time for meet you.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
One of these days, we're going to give them a surprise. Just turn up.
Yeah, man.
We're going to turn up one day.
Yeah, man. That's what I said.
Definitely for sure.
Much love, man.
Yes, man. Every time.
Honor, man. That's what I said. Respect.
Yes, man.
Big up yourself.
Yes,
yeah.
That's the way we have to share the love, you know?
Yeah, man.
Help each other grow.
Help each other, man.
That's the way.
Nobody for team,
yeah, a lot.
Nobody for team, man.
Yes, man. It's the way, man. It's the way. Yeah. It is the way, guys. So right now I'm having this chocolate and busy tea. So good. And trust me, you want chocolate and busy. Chocolate especially, you don't see no steam. They might think it's cool. And you're going to drink it as hot. Like fire. So I'm having this. I just have a slice of square and make my beer good. Yes, sir.
See where I come from.
The sky. Where you say the skies?
Yo, sorry, I never catch him up there.
We up in the sky, man.
We in the skies.
Look like war over that.
I can imagine because I cover myself the place windy. Oh, breadfruits. We up at the top of the tree today, Aibo.
You put them gems here, Dada. When the baby go get them here. You can't get them alone.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what them say, must farm. Plant. Guys, look at the place windy. And Aibo in the breadfruit tree. We at the top. See the breadfruit tree over there, and it's windy. So imagine, Outer lick from left to right.
I know breadfruit tree. Very dangerous.
What?
If you don't careful, you might fall.
It might fall.
Yeah, man. So, I see it, I will still get them. Rastafari.
Rastafari. Heights, you know?
Yeah.
I was on the higher heights.
Higher. So shall we go for that?
We up at top. High. High.
Yeah, man.
High.
So we can tell some jelly too.
Yeah.
Tell I was me I pick them jelly there and buckle them up and sell them, you know. See here.
I make some jelly and jackfruit juice.
Yeah.
You ever make that yet?
Jelly and jackfruit juice? No, we never tried that one yet.
Alright.
Oh, you drink that one already?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But
Jelly
just blend it up.
Blend up the two of them?
Yeah. That's why they have to blend it up, because you use the same water.
Same water.
And you use the jelly meat as well
Jelly
inside
meat
that and blend them up together. But
oh, so you did that one yourself or somebody?
Somebody do it for me when I'm
Do it for you?
yeah, when I'm a member them. It's good, nice. Just blend them up together. Just like that. No added water, no.
Sweetener, you know,
No sweetener. And jackfruit is sweetener.
It's a sweetener, so anything you put that with, wow.
Gone.
Coconut, jelly. Yeah, man. Bad, man.
Yes, right.
I'm going to try that one instead. Never tried it.
It's bad, man. Trust me.
You are a good remedy, you know?
Yeah. But yeah, me I tell you, man, it's gone.
Yeah.
Yes, man. That's something new.
Lots of people, man.
Yeah. Something new there.
Yeah, man. Isn't that so?
You know, we have to always give thanks, you know,
Yeah.
for the ones them that turn out and come give us support, because, you know,
Yeah, man.
we have to support each other.
The ones them will view it and them thing, and come in and give you a support. So I said,
Yeah, come searching for that breadfruit burger.
People been searching.
They've been searching.
Searching,
of
I
course.
swear. Yeah, man, all over the world, man.
The baddest thing.
The baddest thing, man.
The baddest thing, breadfruit burger.
Oh,
And you chalk it and visit it with a square.
Somebody come a while ago and burger never ready and said, where from where you want me to come from, people?
I'm not ready yet. Yes, guys, anyway, thing was up. Like I said, you know, we're going to head out in a minute and take her on the road. You know, the thing goes. What's up? Cashew.
Melon and pine.
Cashew, melon and pine. 3 in 1. So this is cashew, melon and pine. 3 in 1. Yeah, one of a kind.
Only here you can find.
At I was wise. Highway. Yeah.
Stop cook and you stop video.
Yeah, I'll go studio. Yeah, these are great menu, guys. Melon and pine. See there when I tell no lie. You will get the I was wise. Watch your bite.
Right, black. Yeah, I go.
One more bite and I'm gone. Yeah. When you bite something and close your eye, that means so good. When you close your eye, good. Like, god damn. Cheers, guys. Some more. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna bite my lip. I'm gonna bite my tongue. So I'm gonna go eat this and then edit the trench down and do it. To see the breadfruit burger, and it's coming all the way from America.
Yes, man.
For the breadfruit burger.
Yes, and that's the last one. The man shipped the video to the last one.
But guys, imagine it. I mean, watch and come to get the burger, and it was, you know, me have to get mine. So I have to have the energy so I can shoot the video, so I can promote it more, right?
Right.
It's too bad, but you can try the polenta though. You know,
Yes.
you can try food chai is good as well.
Yes.
Food and I must say you can try the squid with the hot chocolate and busy. It's
Yeah.
good. They have all the food chais here, man. So
Yeah,
much,
I
you know.
see. But I'm gonna I'm getting their food. That's the one I'm getting.
Alright
Since
then.
the last burger already gone, so I'm gonna get the food.
Yeah, are you? What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the burger.
Well, it's not gonna be ready for now because they have to roast it first and then fry it.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get the food.
Yeah, they get the food, you know. And thank you so much for watching the program, man.
Yeah,
and being here as well, too, you know.
Yeah.
Give the support. Too
Now
bad.
that we meet you, we'll be watching.
Alright then, so check
Like
it
and subscribe.
and share.
And share.
And share. Yeah, that. So we give thanks. But trust me, so sorry they never get a chance to get the breadfruit burger. It is the one, you know. It's the one. But the food, we're gonna love the food. The food is all purpose. It's good for everything in your body. Because lift up everything. Everything, trust me. You have everything, your smoothie, juice.
That's the joint I was trying to order right there.
Yeah.
What was it? Which one? Right there.
The fitters.
The juice? Yeah.
Yeah,
So order
fitters.
it. Yeah.
The fitters. You see with that now you take like 3 cocks every day.
3 cock full.
Yeah, every day.
Yeah. That's
In the
what I'm
morning?
gonna do.
Yeah, in the morning, anytime. See that?
I eat this.
Yeah. Get a slice of the squake as well, too. Yeah. The cake. We call it squake.
Yeah, man, let me get that slice. Just one slice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna stop that train. Incest. Yeah. Alright then, yeah? General. Come on, take care, yeah? Look up,
Yeah,
yeah?
man.
General.
Yes, respect.
Yeah, man, look up, yeah? Yeah. Well guys, so we just arrived here, you know, in Bull Bay, you know, Bull Bay where Jasmine Deen, you know, this is where she was live, this is where she lived, you know, and her father lied Deen, you know, so finally pull up now outside here, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a tough one, you know, a really tough one to take, you know, it's a loved one, you know, but up to this day, you don't know whether if she's alive or, you know, where she's situation is. So my father knows going to be a bit broken, so guys, so stay tuned. We're going to get some insight on what's going on, so let's head back to her.
Nice girl, yeah. Kino.
Yeah.
Ya sabes, para senta más a
Big up.
Yeah, man, Bulby, man. Yeah, man. I'm back on now. Trouble place where be a bad little like one, man, but it done. Yeah, guys, come in. Hey, guys, come in every day. Kino, what? No, that's good enough. Yeah, man. Go watch out. Watch everything, man. Go watch out.
Yeah.
Before me watch it, the first thing you do for YouTube, watch it.
Yeah,
Watch it every time.
Yeah.
You go, you come, watch it.
You like cry?
See, no family. Pain, my you. But inside, man. You come on, I'm just glad. Tears are joy, man.
Yeah.
Glad for soul, man, See me, Esther, big up, Jan, my God, great, Yeah, man. Fight the whole two star. Yeah, man. Jan, wish me that every minute, remember me to the dog. You and me that part, when we realized why my mother dead, I'm going to tell you, 60 good heart, I'm going to tell the family. 3 girls and 1 boy, I don't know what to do. I got a doctor the night, 2 o'clock, and at 6 o'clock in the morning she dead. 4 hours.
I thought with the mother?
We did it with the mother and the baby, them left for y'all, Same time, we realized she dead. I'm get mad, dog. Yo. Public swarm of police. I'm going to meet on the doctor, man, in the that. We had to tell him, get a woman 4 hours. Bong soon and the woman then, I don't know if you come back, come tell the 4 like a pin in and love them mother, And the way them mother love them in a charge. She can say, I have you them come, I have you them that them from young or them grow up,
Yeah.
I tell them, fight it with her. I tell them like, when I come out of public the morning, but a million police there. So I'm public, the police out there, India get mad, But I'm not really mad. You don't know what to come tell the people them say. I'm check the bus up parade. Put a bag on and throw them in one of the seats and some people try to tell you, I tell somebody seat it, easy man, down all of it.
So here's where you live, right?
Yeah, man. Some of them, man. Some of them, man, anti place, but not sure what thing, man. Yeah. Come down and jump out.
Yeah.
And just say, go and stay up, man. They back it up. Can't even put on do away in the body, but I have some of the bus. Over there, so. I'm going to go beat a place.
See.
Yeah, man, I'm going to jump. Oh, yeah.
So, sir, here's where Jasmine...
I live with you up in the Jasmine live. Man, I show you inside.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, man, but over there, so, my little place. I mean, I try to build a little up. Can come out little. You know, go over there, man. I cross the gully. Over there, so. I try to build 2 rooms for the youth, them,
Oh, you try to build 2 rooms?
Yeah, man, right there, so. Actually reach to top.
Yeah.
Lintel and top. The frame out and everything, and through the bush.
So, where this area name?
Bargang, Bulby.
Bulby, Bargang, 9 mile.
Yeah. No, this is 11 mile.
Oh, 11 mile.
10 mile.
Oh, so this is 11 mile.
This is the past 10 mile. Yeah, man, so it's actually Bargang. I'm not trying to build something, but to me, I'm brother, this,
Your brother?
Yeah, man. Get bush. Get up and down, Yeah.
Yeah, man. So now, so Indians.
Yeah, man.
So you're a light Deen,
Anybody,
right?
yeah, light Deen. Anybody tell them, man, because, someone will sell, So that on the day of my life, you know, me love people, me deal with take care of people, take care of picnic. Yo, when time I lunch at the night, I come up parade, about 20 little baby come on my foot. Just to hear me up.
Yeah.
And see me I come. I told me go in the morning. Now I'm there about John, I told me really go. I met the love.
So
Take care of people, we do everything for people. We want to home dance and we sister. Home dance and we sister.
So here's where Jasmine grew
Yeah,
up.
everybody, you know, yeah, man, yes,
sir.
she go, man, you man, go around in town and show you the inside, man.
Okay.
Oh, June, I tell you, sir, when the mother did 2008, you know, the mother did not
So they said the mother died when they were
I
young.
got a doctor, man, I tell her 4 hours, I did it with her, but, I say, when them say she dead, police soon and public, I police too much to tell you, you not get mad. She don't know them, I say, yo. I said, no, man, can't carry me, woman come and say, 4 hours, no make she dead, man. And let me tell you what them say. And them come home in the morning, she don't know, I left about 12 o'clock in the night, you know. And I said, them come home, you know. You them they are weird, man, because them love them, man, and them mother love them, you know. You know how to love what the mother have for them. And them have a mother, you know. At 16 years, I go before them, you go out them, see girl, them and the boy. Without the mother, you know. That them son master man. Come here and say, yo, you go on the mail, now go roll, man. I'm coming to morning, Esther. Tell them I don't know what to tell them, say. I remember them I wait, them want to hear the result, you know. Took off in the night, you know. I mean, I tell you, you know, go to 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, she dead. When nurse come out and say, why, my lady dead, because I'm not married, you know. I mean, I say, John, no. What you mean, say she dead? I mean, carry her 4 hours on the months, how do you mean she dead? Can't tell me that, dog. But there's some training them time there. You see me? Because she ever leave a public, she leave a hospital, she leave a public. So, oh, you mean she dead? I don't know what happened, I don't know everything. So look like she and them a check out. By the time them a check out, a dead, she a dead, you know. They wake up on a chair, you know, then a woman comes and say, no, man, you're mad, man. You have to go look. Yo, I blow breath in her heart. Said she could have lived. See me? So everything that take the pole, take everything. I said, you know that. Yo, so me look, you know, the whole place was my police. About 100 police cars come my police night.
So the kids them was what age? The kids them was?
The kids them, the one they missing, alright, the biggest one was 9. My boy, one and the first one was a boy. Next one was 8, was in my 9, she had 8. One I missing at 6, a 4 and a 3-year-old.
Yeah. So 3 girls and 1 boy.
No, wife it on the, but me come home, you see me? Because I have to come home. Now them say she dead, I check everything and boy, Jen, what I'm tell them, say. Them come home, father, took them to daddy, where mommy there. All of them saw me, you know. I remember me, I go and I wait for me, you know, because I wait for them mother to come home, you know. The daddy, the mommy there. You know, sit down on the bed front and say, you want me? Your mother admit, you know, I have to check her back.
So you have to just tell them that.
What if say, yeah, just breathe out my self little. You see me? I'm not sent dog. Let him know what to do. I say, yo, by the time I lie down, boy, for. So when I come here, man, you know, coming. Because me and them have understand, you know. I circle them with me and like, all 4 of them all round me and so. I said, listen to me, I tell you this. Your mother dead. When your mother dead, and me and now go and live. I will carry through this. That time I said so, the big daughter, the biggest girl, run, no know how she pull me on. See me? And she said, wait like she said, way out of the car there. Run out of the house, no man, and I said, come in. I said, baby, come call her baby. And mother give her name. And I said, I'm not running down, you know. Here we go on, when you come back, you talk. Because this just I go start now. Listen to me. Come in and she come back. Hold back me and hold four of them. And I said, baby, here we go on now. You are going to help me blind daughter.
She born blind?
Yeah, boy, Jen, because 1 year and 6 months realize that she's blind. Glaucoma she born with.
Glaucoma?
That's the one, glaucoma. Yeah, that's the one missing.
Just Jasmine.
Yeah, Jen, I tell her. I said, partially blind body. And me, when 1 year and 6 months, and me carry her go. The doctor. For check her out, because she ever look up. I pretty me I tell her I pretty. And I said, no man, Jen, no she ever, you know. 1 year and 6 months find out, you know. Because we think everything was alright, me and the mother. And then when time we realized, I said, no man, no, how she a look, you know.
She was
you
looking
know when
up,
somebody
yeah.
I look up and I look at me, I said, no man, I can't go. I check out the eye and them said, $9,000 do the operation. Just in time, I go care, man. See me, when I go care, man, I get 2 weeks and I make $100,000. I tell you, $100,000. Come back with. Send money, come give them. That time the mother there, you know. And I send money, come give the mother and everything doing, but I come back with $100,000 and $90,000 to do the operation.
That's from Jasmine eye, right?
Jasmine eye, yeah, come do and save her from blind. And she born with glaucoma, it's a congestional one, it's a one to go. So, she boy, I didn't know sir, can't go doctor. No matter the money, I'm not busy with money. I love people, man and all. You know, money not come before people. I vanity that. See me? Love is different from money. I mean, I tell the family, I'm carrying a doctor, them the $9,000 operation, and the mother may make deal with it. You know. When she go, she do the operation, give them $9,000, and give the mother 10 grand. I'm good enough. I told me there, I said, you know, I'm good enough, I go town, and yeah, we help, and the body will pack out them things, them and give me, and 6 barrels of things. Go and sell it them, because they know me.
So did the operation take place?
Yeah, they do the operation, and the operation take place. I mean, I tell you, say, it wasn't successful.
It wasn't successful?
No. Well, at least, one eye come out, a glimpse, another eye, yeah, blind, I mean, I tell you. The girl brilliant, she bright.
Yeah. Them make sure it's over the bad.
Not at all, it does not, man. But me I tell her, she not see out that one, but she a glimpse out of the other one. I mean, say,
that's why she impartially,
yeah,
that's why she was impartially
feel good, yeah. Because she attack to me, I read, you know, you check out the youth, I say, you see this, you see, you know? I say, she said, daddy, yeah, boy. Yo, don't me tell her that. Then the mother dead. Because listen,
that's years later,
yeah,
right?
Family, listen, when them child wasn't successful, she may have gear her back. You know, go back, make she go back. The mother afraid, the mother know why she go back. Because when the mother see she knock out that, and numb and red and what, the mother know why she go back. See me? I remember them thing the operation Concord and like a dead, you know.
Yeah.
Mother free, mother know why go back. Not be the mother name, I said not be care back, man. She said no. She lied, I lied she can't, she lied. Nah, I can't back, you know, 'cause I'm afraid. See me? To the way the situation and everything, she's scared. She don't want to go back. So I said, boy, Jenny, you don't want to go back my youth, but I put my daughter to fish. Do everything, sir.
Just for
I don't want to send her to no regular school. And right away, the mother dropped out, you know, 2008, you know.
She was sick.
Yeah, yeah, she was sick. And she never started school. They have a 8 paper. And give the mother money, everything. But the mother have a problem. Like she have a bad heart and one valve work. When we come back from game and we check her, one valve work. I got to do a ECG. So when we realize that one valve, I check it to heart. The drink at home start. Behind me back, you know. From that town, me there selling up from that town, me on the road, me going, and town me going.
So it was a hustler?
Yeah, man, sell clothes, anything, man. See me, even she take it up and buy all the things and give me time because sell and make she make money. See me, because I show her, say I road to go up. We are make the thing work, and anytime I have something, I still sell. We don't know about me sell.
Yeah.
Now the best sell a long time, sir. Anybody who don't know me, then the pass through town. And me make from Big Tree to Garden. Many times, man try this system, I send them up back a lot, send them back a dig. And when anything come, the money will come to kill me, then I can't kill you there. And you are good, you. They call them try to take up my thing. See me? I said, boy, I come boy. More to punch. And I said, no, man, you can't get enough. They have to have money, dog. See me? And badness you bring to me, dog. Then brother dead way and my got funeral. I say, I let granny dead, they can't take up. I have to have money.
So you've been through it. So here's where she born and grew, right?
Yeah,
so I'm sure.
Look, man, look, man, come now, I'm general, I'm watching every day, sir.
So this is was a living.
Just give up everything to the youth, everything. See me?
Yeah.
And then mother dead, I'm saying nothing, I'm going to say I'm youth, that. Oh, that's how she didn't live. Oh, that's how she didn't live, man.
So this was her room?
Yeah, my fear room, this dog, I'm gear the room and that. I like some man is trying to go into it. Yeah, I'm gear the room, man. I'm going to go last dance, I'm dinner right now.
Oh, your last dance?
I'm going to town, yeah.
Okay.
She have a little baby and I tell you the truth now. One time, she have a baby, the man them killed my daughter, baby father. Them killing me in class about the sister.
So you feel comfortable speaking that on the video?
No, nobody can, nobody no wrong to me about it. I mean, really, straight, you know, clean about it.
Yeah.
I'm just a steady thing, man. I'm granddaughter, she call me daddy.
Yeah.
She call me daddy, I'm dead now and everything done, you know.
Okay.
She Jasmine now. She don't know, man, say me love a girl, say me weak star.
Yeah, Jasmine.
And I could just hear John on my own. It weak me down, you know, man. 5 years old of that. But you see, she was a star. Dada.
So,
She go to school for the blind for 5 years, she come out with 8 subjects. You know? And no, 8 subjects. And she qualified for Meadowbrook. You know? I'm going to tell you, you know. 240 or 120 a year I made a book. None of money in the charge. A skill work to do. The tradesman work, you know. But you know, we don't get money, you know, a big name.
So here was Jasmine's space. Yeah, this was her space where she grew up and everything. So you have 3 girls and 1 boy. So 1 girl now, that's the last one. She live in this room right now, yeah?
And there's 3 girls, there's 2 girls live now.
Yeah.
One live jungle with her baby father.
Okay.
So the big girl,
Yeah.
someone I said, I'm raise her, man, baby man. She named Ashia.
Okay.
And she helped me with them. But when the mother did, then I just talk them on. I said, you know what? Come in, I read them with you. You have to take care of the blind one.
Mm-hmm.
My son I got help the little baby. Because two on the road I live, you know.
Yeah.
After that town, I jogging on the big road. Come I say, you know. But I'm a family in place. Come here until them give me all them doesn't know say John, the way them feel.
Yeah.
So boy, John know.
So I just she the last one alone live here with
The
you.
last one, yeah, and her baby.
How old is the last one? How old is she?
She's 22, you know.
Oh, she's 22.
Come on, 22,
Okay.
and the baby is 5. But her father, the baby father,
Mm-hmm.
died when the baby was 2.
Yeah.
And like the baby called me daddy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like me miss Maya. Maya, I call Jasmine, you know. Me miss Maya. But you see my granddaughter them kid and make me feel like it's alright. They want to do it. Yeah, come in and stuff. Yo, you see me miss Jasmine. Miss her every minute. But think about her every day. Yeah, no, my youth. If you don't get her,
So was this the same bed that she was sleeping on?
Yeah, man.
It's the same
Yeah,
bed. This.
I can't buy it out. And I'm me alone with them. I can't buy nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Or fair room is.
Yeah,
I give people give me that this and that. I give somebody give me that TV there. Liquor one, you know. So with the 5 year, I tell you now, I last, no one go nowhere, no one go work. I see the way I do, I build the way you know. Good man, still camp, and mate, I do anything.
So
That me do to send Maya.
that's cool.
Jasmine, yeah.
That's
Maya me call her.
So Maya was her nickname, right?
Maya was the face.
So in here, so it's like what? Is this a 2
Yeah.
room? Is this 2 room here? This place, this house, is like how many rooms is this?
This is the house.
Yeah.
This is my auntie house. Yeah. This the hall.
That,
Pinaso, mo sa bathroom to me there. Bathroom. Look at it. Siya no, may ko ganda at tira uwi mo time mo sa bathroom pinaso. Pinili ko. Ganda at special kilo. Look at it. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, move step over. Everything set up for you.
okay.
But the time now, no, when time now, everything just crash down. And until them now find me from doing more to steal.
Yeah.
Even though I set up them own thing over there to come here and say to them, say to my son, to me, Wang. And I say, Wang, painting for happen to me, you know, dog. I have a place over there, so in my basket. I have 2 rooms over there, so you know,
Yeah.
yeah, man. I mean, I want to put a ball in the song. I want to tie it down, I want to look at you. Little baby can have some, you understand?
Yeah.
Sure, no, Mr.
So Moya,
No window.
so can you just tell me something about Jasmine, you know?
Sure, no, boy. I mean, I tell you, just
What kind of person she was?
She was the nicest person in the world, star. Tell you all the people ever said to me, Daddy, alright?
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah.
It's about love. She know. Esther, I love in the spirit. She can't see, but she's smart. Alright, when she done school for the blind now. She went, she had a guy so, and when she just made her work, I think. She had go right so, you know, yeah.
Salvation Army.
Salvation Army that, yeah. She was the leader for the Salvation Army when she leave Salvation Army, you know. She was the leader for the group.
Yeah.
She win many world of money for Salvation Army. She was the best.
Oh, she was singing.
Yeah, she turned Jamaica ambassador. Yeah, she joined the group, but she had the ambassador for the group. And them go foreign 1 month to get a trip, 1 month, you know.
So what was her dream?
Designer.
What was her dream? You know,
She don't want to go work for people. She want to be the best.
independence.
So
Yeah.
at UA. What was our
Eh?
course?
Of course, I do. She want to be a lawyer. I she want to be the next Prime Minister. 14 something she got to do. She is the brightest family. She win money for school. She win money for school. She sing. Little bit of she sing. I don't want the money when she make. But you know, them get a part, you know, like, you know. Yeah, them get a fraction. And me, you know, when she get, I'm busy with that. I'm going to tell her, say, yo. So when she pass, school for the blind bossy, the board everywhere, never miss travel alone. She don't know mother, you know, kiddo. Right? So me no miss travel, you know, harvester. No miss take taxi, no miss take. Yeah,
that's always strong, man. That's always strong. So what we got here? We're going to bring it back.
Yeah,
2020, February.
27th of February.
27th of February.
Right now, I'm coming to Kino. I'm saying, man, I got school this morning. I'm in a wash, I go this morning, no bossy.
So remember the last time you speak to her?
The last thing we said to her was to come right to the door and come and say, man, I got school this morning, but I talk about school, you know. She ready. School was the best. I want to show her best, you understand? I want to show her do the best, you understand? I told she can't say and she have a disability, she want to be the best, you know. You know, she said, congratulations, you know, I said to her, I got school this morning, she said, yeah, daddy. I want to tell her, I said, nah, I got school this morning, you know. God knows, you know.
You don't want to tell her?
Yeah, but I care. So when she said, daddy, yeah, I couldn't, you know,
so you have a good feeling about
youth,
it?
yeah. So, there I have a thing in my pocket, and you know, God cool, you know. I'm taking the last starting. And even the last sometimes I have to give them. I mean, I don't know where the dinner come from. So I send them God cool, because 4 of them in the minister. 4 of them in the minister. By the time 4 of them I got high school, you know, it sounds mad, it sounds idiot. But God provide. And we get the work, you know. Yeah, we get the work, we save the money, keep the money in the pocket. So, you know, so when them say, remember, 4 children, he to be taken care of, it's food, clothes, everything what they want, you know. And when them say daddy want anything, yeah, me tell them dead, yo, we work up, we save the money in the pocket. I never want to put the money in a bank when I have to go to the more I have it in my hand. That's when morning time come, we can check out the money and give them. And we are cook. But I'm not having what I'm going to look people anything, you know, I'm telling you, I'm going to check out some friend and they say, oh, and there's a lot of money. It's a lot of money for your man, man, you know. This can't help buy the food, man. I remember them go to school, sometimes they go to school, and I don't $1, but when they come back, they have to have food.
Yeah. So, Mr. Lloyd, so all has been since her disappearance for you?
Yeah.
All has been since her disappearance for you?
Boy, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. You know, I don't know I'm not dead. I don't really believe in a dead. Believe in a lives. Believe in a life. God give me life. And vanity and nothing compared to life. See me? Because money can't buy life. See me? But they are the stress out, you know, the stress out, you know. The stress is more weak, sir. Every minute I look for that. Every minute, I get something about. I think we watch Kino, we watch Jonah, we watch Cameron, we watch Colasme, you know. But watch them things, they come stop watch show. I show an illusion, I don't watch show Kino. See me? I see a virgin washing everybody and his friends.
Yeah.
Grieve. You want to do your thing, but you don't know me. Feel it, my youth.
True.
It's your own. Feel better. That I'm simple. Cherokee, really old. You see, your own brother. It's the African evil. You know, come up with something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So maybe it's like, feelings I went and you search for someone and you still couldn't find them. You don't know if whether if them alive or what.
What? That's my thing now.
And then we try to hold the faith and hopefully he's okay. Someone find him, someone have him there like.
Yeah, it's like I know
you just don't
find it.
You just don't want to accept it like that. You understand?
My thing with my daughter, I don't hear that. It's not sense. And I see me also, I don't even know myself. You see me? She don't know me tell her. One man I tell me say, I kill off everybody. Next man I say, no more. I see good people. I see you. See me? Yeah.
So what has been the most challenging part, life without her? What has been the most challenging part, 5 years without her?
My youth, and the worst thing in my life, she's my best. Alright, so she knows her mother early, she is the best to me. See me? That's the only picnic when I get up and come and say, Daddy, alright? No other picnic them. Never yet. You know, that come on and say, like when I sit down, yes sir. No, she bust through the door and I said, Daddy, alright? Say you alright? Simply because she is the best to me, sir. Come remember, you're sick. So I pay you more than the rest, Next one of all, next to the more time, but them sick, they know everything. Everybody get them love. And they respect what they say, one is sick. But now, we can't find a man, mental and spiritual man.
So how old was she when she missing?
22. 2020, she was 22.
So give us a lowdown on the day when it happened.
The day when she moved, when she leave, alright. You have no. You see, December, she finished 3 months, right? So she wanted 3 more months. Then, we couldn't go there, coming out of money. $500,000. Listen to me. When she leaves Salvation Army, I don't have no money, I still have no money. Lot, anything, I have you know, when I get it, I use it. I have to send them every day. I have to send them got cold. 4 eyes cold. I every day, I get a work now and then, to save the money. More time I go check people and beg people. And they give me. And they know me things that them mother, the youth, them mother did and boy, people call me Quaker, Yeah. Then say, boy, Quaker, it's hard, So I check people and them give me.
Yeah.
And help me, and give me a lunch money, boy, small things, one give thanks. Come and take it and giddy out them. And when the morning, when Jasmine, the January, the December, she finished 3 months. September, October, November. Yeah, November. She finished 3 months. So December was a break. So January, February, March, I will do
another
3 more months, yeah. I'm not telling you, bought me the board and the school fee was $500,000.
Wow.
Brother, I don't know, I'll job first. People help me. I need your job first, yeah, $100,000. I go everywhere, people give me $50,000 everywhere. I got to work. I got to work, Yeah, mysterious,
True.
God is good,
All the time.
God did it, see, but you not even know. God great. And believe in God in a church, I'm going there, Going to church, when I was 16, I start going to church, man, 16 me stuck with church. My mother grew up in a church. My mother didn't know, my father didn't know. See me?
So the evening after them say she leave school.
The morning, one I know the morning after me say no like Jasmine no me set me I work out that thing. Couldn't pay about the boarding, couldn't board her, 5 tons for boarding. So just January I couldn't board her back. I just spend 500 tons on people and my body and left on my last parados. See me, but we can find food. And we can $1,500 a day, I figure, you know. See me, people buy a lunch and whatever. I'm not busy with the board and whatever.
Free taxi fare.
I'm not gear that. $1,500 a day. No, when I couldn't board her for the next 3 months, you know what I mean? It's like God, the JUTC bus just started work. 95 Express, yeah. From back gate, are you to 11 miles up the song. Because God working the kid up, Mr. Nino, by you. Yo, I gotta keep me alive, man. You know why? We know him. I said, you know God? He's a different person, big man.
So it's on February 24, right?
February, yeah, but
24.
January, the bus just started from back gate to 11 miles square and turn up the top and go right back at the school gate. So I say, Maya, the money before the end of Maya, but you know what going on? She don't want to hear about it, she not going to school no more.
She want to go school.
She won't, yeah. And she don't have 14 subjects, she left me that book with.
14.
14, you know. Yo, we don't charge it. No women that look at me do for my ass. You see me?
14, so.
Fighting up with that.
Yeah.
When she left me that book, she said, Daddy, qualify for you, know. The Maya, want the Maya, when you get money into their phone, none of money, Maya. Say, Daddy, qualify for me that book, say, yo, I'll go, man. Gotta go ahead, man. Y'all go.
Yeah.
The check, Ministry of Education, yeah, $100,000. Jaffas,
Yeah, 100.
100. I'm gonna find the next year.
It was 500,000.
500,000.
That's for go to UA, right?
Cool on the board. I'm gonna tell them that. I have a piece of visa, I don't know what it's on. Let me show a woman it's coming half start, $1 million half done. I'm gonna tell a woman give me her money. $200,000, you know. And she had no key, you know. We get the rest, but find everything.
Yeah.
I know I have to go send her every day, I have to go take care of her food and whatever. Because that night, food and whatever they eat, no key, you know. To make, you know, it's just boarding and it's school fee, $500,000.
Yeah.
When the time we realized what's going on, the lady said, Maya, mister, and Jasmine, mister, the lady said, I'm not going to sell it, you know, because I'm going to hold up money because she to give me a money in December. When we have board Maya. So I couldn't board her, so I said, Maya got to work, the bus I run now past, and so I go right there to school, get Maya, I make her go to school start, don't worry.
So apparently she been taking the bus from school to home.
Yeah, I'm work with the driver, I'm telling him to boss it. She alright, and them, the driver, them work. So when she leave school, she come back right there, so.
Yeah.
And when she tell the bus, she go right to school gate.
Yeah.
So she take time, find out where go in. To me, I'm going to tell her, say, don't take no taxi no more.
Oh, so you've been telling her not to take any taxi?
Don't take no taxi. Don't take no bus.
So is that the first time she take a taxi?
The first time she ever take a taxi start. Brother, 1 kilo, all I talk to man every time I talk. Yo, more walk and I kill talk to 1 kilo. Because we can't do it, you know, dog. But one man I say, don't do that, dog. That's still not my head. I still not give my Maya. Because Maya more, you know, my fit more, you know.
Sure.
Because if I enjoy wickedness and my things, I love me living, that. Take care of people, dog. I hurt people, you know. take care of people, you know. But we don't turn ourselves. And the blind lady I walk come, or the blind man. Listen to me. One time, they must say, take the left, take the right. I said, no man, what's my good time for me? I'm all the man and I room and I'm getting them straight at the bus. Leave me good time in the brother. Remember I said, we can't come back and see me good time in the other. I'm in a business with the good time in the key. All the lady and the man I'm say, where you go, which bar you go, and them tell me, I'm going to walk them go down the west. I'm going to put them on the bus. I'm say, driver. Say, which bar you come on, fella? And tell them, say, driver, make sure. You let them off, they say no now.
Yeah.
Because I say, if me anything I'm doing to them night, I was going to tell them come here about me and you. I know. I think money dog.
So
find out they go 450 alone dog. That be tough in the market.
So that was literally the first time she was taking a taxi.
First time, man.
So what time?
Them push up on top.
So what time she leave school?
Is the man, she leave school early.
What time she finish?
And the school over like 7. You are classes, you know. You are classes. My man tell you. Yo, when we can't find people, we tell me like, bomb up you. We always go in there and bomb up the whole university. You can't have a little blind girl that come and you keep her certain hours, dog. And you see, you shouldn't invite her, you shouldn't bother her when she come out of school then. Yeah, then I'm home 7:30. 7:30 is like a night, you know, charging. I should have a bus to drop them certain place, you know, big man. You shouldn't have a blind people, you feel me, look at you. We don't have to go, I'm waste of fit them, see everybody, you know.
So there's any lead in the case because me hear somebody being charged, right?
So I come up back with it, yeah, one man find with our ATM card, one man find our phone. Then the government that after 2 years and then no find nobody and the case dismissed. Yo, dada.
Oh, so
Dada,
dismiss the case.
You know, nothing care, dismiss it, dada. For 2 years nobody. 2 years nobody bossy. That means you them wicked and evil. See me? That's why crime family. That's why crime can't done. Them are the head of the crime. Oh, you have to say that. You find a man daughter missing now. You know like my daughter a thief. I send my daughter say she go to the road and she up and down the way, you know. Remember school my daughter got university my daughter going up. See? And you there at the school gate as a man will tell. And you see the girl and you see the situation. You can't back in high school.
That's how we are vendor?
The vendor will at the gate.
I input
her
in a taxi?
Yo, if you did that 1 million times for that.
So input her in a taxi?
Yeah, call a taxi man, him call a man. That's why I say, something wrong with that you know. Him call a man.
So him call a taxi
Call him friend. Him call him, yeah, me not talk about him call a taxi. Him call him friend where I drive taxi. And when the man come here, when they tell him, send me pitney not start.
So that same taxi man the way him call, like him them charge?
No.
Him charge someone else?
No taxi man I get charged. Listen to the whole thing, you know. Him call taxi man. The taxi man say him nah work. But him go drop Jasmine up a Papine Square.
Okay.
When I hear people kick out people out and kill everybody, all granny, picnic, baby, pussy, rat. You know them house and them thing happen.
So that same taxi man, the one and
him call man.
Them question
the boy
him?
at the juice gate call, yeah, the police them call everything, but the police them work with them cause them a feed the police. And them a give the police lunch money a pop in. The taxi man them a work a pop in. And them a feed family. And them give the policeman them lunch money. It's a policeman taxi the man a drive, you know. And me take it out, you know. So them just want dash off big thing. Don't want to hear nothing about nothing. You as a juice man, say you're every little girl. Which way help a little picnic we're blind? at the school gate in front of the camera. Don't you call, you ask her, say you want a call? You want to call the father? No, I want mother first then, right? You want to call the mother? She go say, mother dead, you know. But my father dead. Give her a call, no, man. You know, me run to the whole, to the night that I go for puppy, me pity. To run. Me not even have to take nothing, me run. Family. Go for that little girl there. Me love her. But I run my own. I run for you, so run up Mount Boone, I run go puppy in town. I'm not have to do that still. I'm going to go to get a taxi and go for my business there.
So that same night there, at what time you decide to say you call her?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Little baby, little one said, Daddy, not call my about me that way what one. The man said, he might help her. All the way help her, she in front of the camera at the school gate. You carry her back in and school, me I said.
Yeah.
Right? To the teacher them, our security.
Because
you get a call and you call me. Oh, you gonna help my youth and you call your friend. A taxi man. And when the man come, the man say him nah, but he must drop her up a bill pay. And man, I'm not about dog.
him say them
No one
question.
talk nobody in the charge. The police alone and never talking, like I know one thing in me. Because I know why I'm just tweeting at the police there, I know me, I look, I'm not really nobody.
Then what's
Man
the
carry
try?
up a popping quick and leave her a popping quick and say nah work.
So when I leave her,
So why you move her from the school gate, bossy?
she more safer.
Why you move her? And carry her popping and leave her and tell them man them a popping and grab bag and grab. Yo, them live on you, take picking them on you. Pick
Poppy
them.
Square always drive past, right?
Them a murder and pick them a grab tablet, them a grab.
So our phone and our card.
Well,
But the
two
card
youth,
you
when they
use,
come
card
up,
the
two
card
youth,
you
and
use.
we pay for checking, no, we pay fits ending. I'm a cousin, a family, you know, pay 1,000 US to chat the phone.
So the card you use or ATM card?
You got the machine him go, I saw them pick him up, the machine him go, I saw them pick him up.
So that's the same person that they got charged, right?
Yeah, Tamar Henry and Gregory Wright. Tamar Henry with the phone, and Gregory Wright with the ATM card. So, oh, you get the number.
The PIN number.
Unless you have a pin in your hand. Oh, you get the pin number. That's to reach the machine, dog.
Yeah.
And oh, the man open the phone.
Without the PIN.
Everybody have a little, got my pin there, them smart, you know. And my daughter lock her phone, you know. So, oh, you get the phone.
And
Oh, you go in on the phone.
And then if you use an ATM card, you have to literally
You have
put
to
in
have
the
a pin
PIN.
number, uncle. And the machine, them get him right in front of the machine, the picture take. When time them find him out, person of interest. The two person of interest was the one with the ATM card, him there the machine are looking at the machine so. Then and the one with the phone, when him check the phone, him run away. And them catch him after. But through Corona in it was a limited.
Yeah, it was 2020 Corona. Yeah. So may I ask something, so what you think happened to Jasmine, or what you really hope for?
Brother, you know, fish it, you know. I'm not telling the truth. But any John, I'm not fish it. Feel them about somewhere you are. She's so smart, she's so bright. My youth, people not kill people like them then. People try to use them to make money star. Bright, you know that?
Yeah.
Not even know the half of brightness here. She's bright. Yo, family, she's well bright. She's smart. You see me? And she don't talk about that, so you know. Yeah, man, gentleman.
So you think the community and the police support you upon searching for her?
Police never crossing, man. Come in, people don't like me, you know, I don't know why, you know, my youth. God, so I stick to myself I try help me out. Them people don't like it when them say I try to survive, you know, brother, good enough. Jamaican people, like when they are killer, they are murder everybody. You know, I go on about it, I tell you too.
So you don't think you get any support as
There's nothing that coming on with the whole life. But you got to let them tough enough.
So what you say them dismiss the case then and stop
Yeah, because them I say after 2 years they not come up with a body. Yeah, like you know.
So you think them still a search?
No, because me want to bring up me and some people are reason for what they are trying. Me I say maybe if me have money, maybe if me have a lawyer, maybe if you understand. Yeah, my so me and Big Stone one man.
Rasta man.
Yeah, where you see interview. You watch the interview?
No.
You watch the interview?
No.
Big Stone is a good man, and like me and him are reason and him I say, boy, John want him call some man and call some liar and some people and him I say, John, we can come up back with the gate, you know man, because John man, you really deserve to really get some help, you know man, and he put up a thing like a GoFundMe, you know, when he put up.
So what become of that?
No, so I'm busy now on the election anyway, guys. I'm always follow politics and
Yeah,
him and my name, that Andrew, another one. Mark
Golding.
Yeah, like him mostly there from Mark Golding.
So what kind of message you want to send out there if anybody will kind of know or aware about or any information?
I really need to know whether Jihad or that. Nobody now live forever, you know. But we really want to know what happens to my youth. Remember, at school, I said, you know. And like say I go about our business. Remember, a university, I said, everybody should help me find a youth in the life.
Sure.
God no. And when I go, I'm for youth without a mother charge it. The mother and father, the big man. I tell my 4 high school, 4 graduation, 1 time in a Esther. Sound mad. Nothing happy to do it. Yeah. They pick up the liquor one. I go along good. Pick up the liquor one, and carry the liquor one and the other one. Esther. You carry the liquor one and the other one. Graduation and carry 2 and the other.
So boy, I'm gonna tell them.
That's why
So how you keep Jasmine memory alive, you know?
Yeah man.
How you keep her, isn't it? And what give you the strength to keep going?
Wait a minute, I tell you. Only God give me the strength. God give me the strength. But she had to, but the truth. So I just keep it say, she not dead.
Yeah. So
That's the most part that keep me up. But deep inside, they can't see her.
Yeah.
I know she's missing and somebody think I will talk it like that. Now build a strength, but I'm weak inside, but I'm strong in our God. See me? Come here, say, she can be somewhere, you know. But people are use her, people have her and she not dead. Right? And differently, me I say, boy, Maya, because Maya, you know, me I say, John, if I even dead, let me know, Jamie, let me know where you're dead. Because if I pick up the bone, dig out by the bone, and can see 7 people dead.
Yeah. So if Jasmine could hear you right now, you know, what would you say to her? If
poor Jasmine, love her, I'm weak. Maya, Jasmine, I'm great, I'm my, do everything for her. She's my best. Yeah, she even hear the song and I watch it, know what's there. She know, I want to see her, I want to talk. Cause she's the best thing to me, you know. None of the other youth, them, you know, me no worry over like she, you know, big man. Cause Gia know me do everything for Maya, star. Me give out my last to Maya. I mean, anything for her, you know, anything for Maya, man. Yeah, Gia know my youth. Will I suffer with me out there, will I me dead, I might put them alive. See me charge, you better me dead. Yeah, trying. Let me put them. More than me and me youth, them not them. Nobody can happen on them, you know. Now, in a real life, you know. What can happen to them, you know? No, more than a shot, man, if you trouble them.
Yeah.
But me alone go there with no bossy.
Yeah.
See me? And if your mother is there, mother than me, man. See me?
Yeah.
I know I love people, you know. See me? I love especially for youth, you know. I know my youth alone, no, you know. I have a special love for children.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, man, I love youth, man. I love youth, I'm weak, you know, man. Yo, I love people. I love youth, I love people. I love all people. I love picnic, you know. You know, like, go chang on them, and them two chang on them bad. See me? Love the weak people, them. I'm there for them, and that's all me I beg God to do God. Yo, me ask my God, you know, riches, you know, you know. Me grow, you know, me not the best, me suffer, you know, I tell you that. To find my own, I mean, I tell me, I tell you, like, you know. Like me at 10.
Yeah, try.
Me mind my mother. Me mind my brother them. Me tell her, skill. Like that. The skill. That. Me look after my people them. Take care of mother, take care of brother them. See me?
Yeah.
I mean I tell her, you know, love people more than money. See me, general, love people more than vanity, bossy. I'm there for you. That's if you drive through and you broke down, I'm dead for you charge it. When I help you see that the vehicle get up. If you want to jam for the night, you're good. You see what I say? I empty them with them. I empty them with them.
Yeah. Well, guys.
Oh, look, me stop and say that. Even know it, and then wash me up, shoot some blue for you, wash up my feet back, oh, feel like a big stone sometimes,
Step on step.
but it's all good when it's a big stone, guy, not to broke up.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, I feel like a little sponge.
Yeah.
After tough time, Gia know it, man, Gia know man, boy, I wait till the kid, but watch you every day. Only thing is my thing. But watch you know, me no watch show.
Yeah.
I really like me to live with. I'm to help people try. See me? Yeah, me watch Cameron, me watch Color Smith, me watch Jonah.
Lifestyle.
Yeah, shot man. We take them there, my show, my show.
Yeah.
Stop one show. Only news me listen to. But let me see you. I'm so yeah, let me say, yeah, boy, Jamaica, have to try contact you, man. For God know you. So yeah, do?
Yeah.
Jamaica make a difference in the world, Charlie. Yeah, man. See, I go up to one day, I got up there, I was looking to your cup, but yo, I think I'm normal.
Guys, you know what I'm saying? It's really, really sad, you know, for
Yeah. If you would smile and you would laugh with the sun, I can't understand I'm dropped down and talk up to the party. If cheer up. Alright. Oh, me build the next youth them. Oh, me build them. But if me don't ever watch me, you know, you know, they watch me. One day more you come on and see me youth them. I'm brother this, you know.
Yeah.
Brother.
So, say no, guys, I'm gonna say, what we're going to do, we're going to leave his contact information, you know, because I must say it's a kind of distance away from the CMA, so we're going to leave a contact information. You can reach out to him, you know, they can see his situation, you know, you might try to see him, and it's tough, it's hard for him, you know, because you can call him, you know, give him some words of encouragement, you know, give him a helping hand in any way you can. So in there with his daughter and his granddaughter, they can say them do have a bathroom need and it's really tough seeing me because 5 years on, I was still seeing me over the faith, and I hope that she still seeing me there. You understand? So it's really tough. So, you know, we always try to give her assistance. I'm saying I'm gonna leave his contact number. You can help him out. And because shoot a bit of distance away from the CMA, so if you can reach CMA, you're gonna reach, you know. But whenever I get a support for him, CMA, you know, it take a little time for me to come here. But if you don't want to reach him right away, you can contact him, CMA, and you can reason with him, give him some prayers, you know, something that, you know, substantial. So you know, so we have an excellent family that is good. We have an excellent family that they kind of give us a donation and say, you know, you can give someone when them say what the need is fit. You know what I'm saying? I put this down for a very long time. You understand? So I just take something out of what you send. You know, so I'm going to bless you with it. You know, where you can help out something. You know, so this only an encouragement here.
You know, you're the boss.
You know, we know the good boss with family.
But don't, I have to say that.
Family.
So what you do? Alright, I'm not say the boss, but I respect what you do.
Yes.
Don't let anybody can do it.
Yeah, man. So
anybody can do it right now, man. Tell me, what's in every day, now, girl? No, what's in every day? No. Every certain time, I'm not sitting on a can, I'm not want nothing, sir.
Yeah.
Look like off the TV, sir.
So you're happy now.
I'm going to look for Kino, I'm going to look for Juna, I'm going to look for Golat Smith, I'm going to look for Cameron, I'm going to look out for Ono. So I don't know if you subscribe to I'm youth. So I'm a youth TV, I watch fun. But I watch every day star. I'm the biggest viewer.
Big up, man. So you want to
people them say, where you watch Pega? They know I want to friend them, man. That's the people them I'm praising them, you know. And they don't even know them, they don't even know you know, man.
In person.
No in person, no, my youth. That's the time, I'm taking shot, I know. I done, you know, I don't even know.
So you make a do, man. So I'm going to bless you with this 15,000. Yeah, this is from Nicky Pink. You know, from
God bless.
So this is 15,000.
God bless you, Nicky. How much your name?
Nicky Pink.
Nicky Pink. Boy, I tell her, God bless you so much. I tell her, everything is alright, man. Man. Glad to take you to God, boy.
So tell me a contact number.
I'm general.
Tell me a contact number. Just say it over there.
876 473 3940.
So it's 876
473 3940.
Yes.
Thanks, you know, big man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, tell Nicky, say, boy, John, I tell him, I take it and buy food, I give it to granddaughter.
Yeah.
To go to school, yeah, man. God bless him, man.
I will give thanks. I say, guys, say, you can reach out. See him, he's here. So I'm going to put his contact number and I still can contact me, see him. So whenever anything comes for him, you can make the time, see him and try to come out here. But you can also contact him, see him there, and you can reach out. Because you can go Western Union and place, right? Yeah, so you can go to the place and you can try to bless him. And call him, give him some prayers, some words of encouragement. You know, keep him faith and him hope alive because yes. So I'm saying it never died for him and everything's still alive, you know. So in general, so make a run go, you know, I'm gonna say wish you all the best. Continue to stay strong, see me. You know. Don't let him eat, yeah, man. Don't let the money eat, you know. You know, and don't let me. Family, see, I know. You gotta have a different thing, woman. Don't say nothing, man.
Rate, you know, rate, I don't know more that rate,
Alright then,
I
so.
water every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what God is good, man.
Take care, yeah?
Cool, man.
Brother.
I'm glad to see you,
Yeah, man, cool, man.
I'm glad you make the day
Yeah.
possible. I give thanks for the blessing when we get anything. Good thing coming a small part, you know.
Yes, sir.
But me I tell you, and on the money and the love
I love.
that you have, watch it, man. Watch it, watch it.
Yes.
God good, man.
All the
Thank
time.
yeah, the Nicky.
Nicky Pink, yeah.
Nicky Pink, yeah. Thank you, man, so much. You don't know how, you don't know where to thank you more. But yeah, the boss.
No, boss, family.
Yeah, family, yeah, and take care
One
of
family,
Kino,
man. One love. The whole of we are one, you know.
Kino is
You
love.
know, we're not separate.
And Kino love your name
Yes.
from today. And a Kino, like a Kino love.
Kino love. Alright then.
See you.
Yeah, man. That's it. Whoa! General, big up here. 11 miles. Yeah, man. So, you know which one?
Let's take it easy.
Yeah, man. 11 miles.
Yeah, man. Bye, go. Yeah.
Yeah.
One place, but the good.
Good now.
Everywhere bad, but the good.
Yes.
No, but everywhere
We know we walk with Christ, you know. We walk with faith, you know. So, we don't think of anything. So, we go anywhere.
People can buy everywhere, people bad, but listen to me, people good.
Of course.
That's why I see you, I know you. Because you are search for the love.
Yes.
You build the love, build the kindness. We not do no hate, dog.
Love you, dude.
Anywhere time there, I come anywhere people come on me there, nobody can do me. Yo, people know I need, I love that.
Love and love everyone, yeah? Alright then, respect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Hey, stop, big up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One love, man.
Alright then, my brother.
Yeah, we keep the link up.
Yeah, man, we keep willing. Yeah.
Yeah. Can't turn right, I suck the turn.
Yeah, I'm good as someone. I want spin me a spin.
Reverse and turn. Yeah.
I want spin me.
Cool, man.
Alright, big up. Yeah.
Yeah, no, man, you say come on, name why you leave, but you don't know. You have a thing to deal with.
Yeah.
Man, I respect.
Yeah, man. Cool, man.
Yeah, man, I have some go to go one time when I ram in them eat aside, more I eat.
When I eat
Bust
them.
off when I eat.
Yeah, but them eat
Bust off, I mean, and spend them get.
Yeah, them want manage one, so they them a come for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to go see what to go.
Yeah.
The boss have made me know, you know.
Cool up. Come back, keep link with me. I'm better too, you see? Alright. See now the bar, you know me come out now?
Yeah.
A straight link.
I don't want link, man. I don't want
Family.
link.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. India, we link up, man. I see you again in Indian.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
I know when you do anything, you feel like pass and you want to beat long and you feel like you will chop like that.
Brother, man. You see?
Yeah.
Link up, man. You see?
Our place this.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then, my brother. Worse. Yeah, man.
Wanna be happy too. Why you gonna be so rude? Why you gonna be so rude?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.